Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to join the Midjourney Discord server. So as you can see, we're currently on the Discord app on PC on Windows. So just click on add the server here on the left corner or left side of your screen. Click on that and click on join the server. And just type here on the invite link here in the box, type Midjourney. After that, click on join server. And after that, you'll be redirected here on the Midjourney server, and you can see welcome to Midjourney. And just click on that and you're good to go. You're now here on the Midjourney server. You have successfully joined, and for you to use it, you just click on this one, the newbies room. So just type in imagine. So here's a prompt, and just put what image you want to create, something like that. That's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.